This is your spinal column. So here we have your cervical spine or neck, and here is your thoracic spine that is limited by your rib cage. Your ribs connect to this area. And here, the lower 5 bones, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, is your lumbar spine, and then your sacrum being your butt bone. And this is what we look like. Each of these bones or vertebra has a disc in between, and this disc functions as a shock absorber. And over time, with a lot of absorbing shocks, whether it's running, whether it's trauma, whether it's mom and dad, genetics, these discs wear out. As the discs wear out, the bones come closer together, creating back pain and other spine ailments.